Feeling hot, hot, hot. Woo! Drinking on the deck mini Coronitas with the McGoiter.
That is my real name.
It is hot, hot, hot. It's about 90, 95 out, I don't know. We're on a ship that has a giant octopus. Holy shit! Brock, it's right behind you!
Pirates.
Oh my god!
They're stealing music.
Oh my god, it's right behind you! What's over there? What's over there? Oh, they're gonna shoot the cannons! On the other side of this fence, they're about to shoot some cannons. Just enjoying the day. It was real hot out, real nice out. Thought it would be fun to go grab a little bucket. But if you notice behind me, we got some mountains and a church.
Whatever happened to Buster Poindexter?
He was in Scrooged. He was in Scrooged, and it was awesome. He's the cab driver. Niagara Falls, Frankie Angel. Niagara Falls. Yeah, Cooper's Seafood, downtown Scranton, in the middle of, not directly in the middle of Pennsylvania, but it's in Pennsylvania where there is no ocean. Yet, this giant octopus is going to attack Brock! Ah! Wow. Look at that guy. So, I have a text message here. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to close this screen. I hope everyone's having a good almost summer. And end.